Dealing with a form file from an Oracle Enterprise application? This is a form definition file from Oracle's legacy application development platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and open these Oracle Form source files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single FORM file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. FORM files are form definition files. Created by Oracle Forms, the enterprise application development tool for building database-connected user interfaces. They contain form modules with canvas layouts, data block definitions, triggers, PL/SQL program units, and item properties that define Oracle database application screens. Oracle Forms FORM files use a binary format, storing form module definitions with canvas layouts, visual attribute groups, data blocks based on database tables or views, PL/SQL trigger code, and program units. The format includes item properties, LOF definitions, and parameter lists for runtime form behavior. If installed, your preferred program for FORM should be the Oracle Forms Developer Application by Oracle Corporation. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows shows the script plainly, but running it needs a trusted and correct runtime. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your FORM file and click Open with. If Oracle Forms Developer is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If your FORM file is not opening yet, that is normal. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, opening an Oracle Forms Builder. Launch Oracle Forms Builder, part of the Oracle Developer Suite, and open the form file using File, then Open. The form module loads in the Object Navigator, displaying all components including canvases, data blocks, triggers, and program units. Use the Layout Editor to view the visual form design. Next, compiling forms. Compile the form source file into an executable FMX file using Oracle Forms Builder or the FRMCMP command line compiler. The FMX file is the runtime version deployed to the Oracle Forms application server. Compilation validates PL/SQL code, resolves database references, and generates the executable form module. Finally, migrating to modern platforms. Consider migrating Oracle Forms applications to Oracle Apex or Java-based web applications using Oracle's modernization tools. Oracle provides migration utilities that analyze form files and assist in converting form logic to web-based alternatives. This modernization path moves legacy Forms applications to current supported platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.